critical path method. Critical path method is one of the commonly used project scheduling methods. It is useful to find out project duration, and it can be used to identify critical activities. Critical activities are the activities that if any delay or extension of that activity happens, it will cause the total project duration changes. Then using critical path analysis, we can identify flexibility or float of each and every activity of the project. When we are using a critical path method for our project management or project scheduling, these are the steps we should follow. First, we should determine activities that need to be accomplished. Identify the activities is the first thing. Then we have to determine the precedence relationship, that is, which comes first, what is the next activity, logical order, precedence relationship, or we can tell it as logical order of activities, logical sequence, and completion times of those activities should be identified. Then third step is constructing the network diagram. Constructing the network diagram using this logical sequence. Then fourth step is determine early start and late start schedules, and finally identify the critical path, and we can identify float or slacks of other activities as well. We directly start with the example. Table 1 gives activities A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, and their duration and the logical order of these activities should be carried out. That is, we can start with A, then to start B, we have to complete A. Then to start C, we have to complete A. Likewise, the logical order of these activities are given here. Considering the logical order, we can roughly draw the network diagram. That is, it starts with A, then to start B, we have to complete A. Then we can start B. Then to start C, we have to complete A again. So C should be here. Then D can be started if the activity B is completed. That is, B is completed at this point, so we can start D. Then to start E, we have to complete activity C. So C is completed, so we can start E. We don't have to bother about other activities because they have mentioned that completing activity C is enough to start E. Likewise, this is more standard and methodical way of analyzing the network using activity on node method, and I will be doing this analysis based on continuous, considering that this process is continuous, right? So in this box, as you can see, this box shows few details, right? Here in the middle, activity name, it is given as A. Then this side we can indicate the duration. This side, early start date, early finish date, late start date and late finish date. Early start date means earliest date this activity can be started. Early finish date means earliest date this activity should finish, right? Then late start means how many days we can late start date of this activity. Late finish means latest possible late date of finishing this activity. When we consider activity A, the duration is 6 days and activity A starts in 0th day. After 6 days it completes, so finish date will be 6. Early start date is 0, early finish date is 6. Then when this completes on 6th day, we can start, since we are considering the continuous process, we can start activity B on the 6th day, right? Then duration of activity B, it is 8. Duration is 8. Then activity B can be completed on the 14th day. 6 plus 8 days is 14th. Then we can start the activity D on the 14th day itself. Duration of activity D is 13 days. So total will be 27. So activity D finishes. Earliest date activity D can be finished is 27th day. Activity G is bit important because to start activity G, we have to complete both activity D and E. activity G එක පටන් ගන්න අපි D එකත් E එකත් දෙකම ඉවර කරලා තියෙන්න ඕන. ඒක නිසා ඉස්සෙල්ලා අපි මේ පාත් එක හදලා බලනවා. So we start filling this part. Activity A finishes at 6th day. So we can start activity C on 6th day, and activity C duration is 5 days. So activity C completes on 11th day, and we can start activity E on 11th day. Duration of activity E is 9 days, and activity E completes on 20th day. So you can see that to start activity G, although this completes on the 20th day, we cannot start this on the 21st day because we have to wait till activity D also completed, right? So we can start activity G only on 28th day. That is, we can start activity on 27th day when this completes. Completion date of activity D, 27th day. Calculation we carried out to find out early start, early finish dates, early start, early finish dates, and we did calculation towards this. So this is a forward pass. We call it a forward pass. We do a forward pass to calculate early start and early finish dates of all the activities.